This guide will take you step by step through installing the Hoverwatch app on your Android device. The installation procedure visually may be slightly different for different devices and Android versions. You need physical access to the target Android device. Please make sure the device is charged. You will be able to unlock it and connect to the internet, Wi-Fi or mobile data. First, let's prepare the device on which the Hoverwatch application will work. Disable system notifications and alerts so that Android alerts do not bother you. Tap the Google Play Store app. Press the account symbol in the upper right corner. Tap Play Protect. Press the gear symbol in the upper right corner. Turn OFF Scan Apps with Play Protect. Press the Home button. Next step. Disable notifications from the Google Play Store. Long press the Play Store icon. Tap the Info icon. Select Notifications. Turn off all notifications. Press the Home button. Great! The next step is to register your account and download the app. Open your internet browser. We're using Chrome. Type hoverwatch.com. Tap Sign Up Free, or tap Menu Login. Enter your email and password. Tap Sign Up Free, or Login. The next step is to install the app on your device. If you need to install the app on the target device, refer to the video provided through the link in the tip for guidance. For installing the app on your device, click the button adjacent to the link to copy the installation URL. Go to your web browser, enter the copied URL in the address bar, and hit Enter to proceed. After completing the download, press Open. If prompted, tap Settings to allow installation. Activate Allow from this source for Chrome. Press Install. Press Open. To the question Allow the synchronization service to send you notifications? Press Don't allow. Tap Next. Select the installation option and confirm user consent. Accept the legal terms. Now you need to give the Hoverwatch app permissions to perform the desired functions. Turn on Basic Permissions. Tap Allow confirming basic permissions. The next step is to permit access to notifications. Find Sync Service Notification Access. Turn on the switch to allow access. Tap the Allow button, press the System Back button. Now activate the switch on the accessibility service. Read the help and click OK. Tap Installed, or Downloaded, apps. Find Sync Service and tap it. If the system displays a restricted setting warning message, you need to give permission for the application to continue the installation. How to disable the restricted setting message? Tap the System Back button. Tap the System Back button. Activate Accessibility Service again. Read the help and click OK. Find and open Sync Service in the list. Next, click on the three dots located in the upper right corner. Finally, tap the Allow Restricted Settings. Tap the System Back button. Press the Back button. Enable the accessibility service again. Press OK. Tap Installed, or Downloaded, apps. Tap Sync Service. Turn on the switch. Press Allow. Tap the System Back button. Now to turn on Access to Usage. Activate the Access to Usage switch. If the service Sync Service is not found, search for Sync Service in the list. Activate the Sync Service switch. Next, to turn on Overlay Permission. Activate the Overlay Permission switch. If the Sync Service is not found, find it in the list. Activate the Sync Service switch. Now activate the Disable Battery Optimization switch. Tap Allow. Tap Next. Next, activate the Hoverwatch app. Enter your email address and password for your Hoverwatch account. Tap Activate. Now select the types of activities to track. Turn on the activities you want to track. Tap while using the app or allow confirming permissions. Tap Next. Then select Additional Actions to track. Tap Next. All that's left is to choose the types of screenshots you want to record. Tap Start Now. Tap Next. Set a PIN code to protect the application. Memorize or write it down. Tap Next. The installation of the Hoverwatch application is complete. Congratulations! After installing and configuring the app, you're ready to monitor the device through the Hoverwatch account dashboard, which you can access using any web browser. To access the Hoverwatch dashboard on the device, simply open your internet browser, visit the Hoverwatch website, and log in with your details. Information from the device will begin to appear in your Hoverwatch account within about 5 to 6 minutes. You can now effortlessly access your Hoverwatch web account from any device with internet connectivity, including laptops, tablets, and desktop computers. This seamless accessibility ensures you can monitor and manage your tracking preferences from anywhere, at any time, provided you have an internet connection.